you don't have to answer this if you don't want to.
No problem.
But can I ask how much you have in your truck?
Between the truck and the dozer and the trailer, you're probably around like 10,500.
That's crazy. So if you guys want to compete in the RC four-wheel drives, you better have some change. What's up, guys? Big Rig Barbie here, and we are at the 2025 Texas Trucking Show. We are going to be judging the RC four-wheel drive Big Rig contest. The judge panel includes myself, the Big Rig Blake, and Truck Show Joe. I am super excited this year. We judged this last year, and it was so much fun. They have come out way harder this year. There's so many more trucks, so I can't wait to show you guys who we picked to win.
So you see my snake? You heard me?
Are you excited to judge?
I'm super excited to be here, everybody, at the 2025 Texas Truck Show. We're fixing to judge the RC trucks.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm super excited.
To judge.
Oh, you know, me and Joe are just really pumped up to be here today. You know, we really love the opportunity to go ahead and get to judge something that Joe probably could win in. Maybe next year you can go ahead and get some of these for yourself.
Didn't bring a truck for this. We didn't know that.
Well, you can't judge and win. So.
Oh, next year.
Yeah.
I got you.
That way you know what you're dealing with.
Right.
Alright guys, we are here with one of the contestants. This is Herbert, and he is going to tell us all about his Peterbilt 389. Herbert, what is your favorite part of your truck?
Realistic of it, everything works. All lights, my axle actually lifts up and down.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
And it's actually built like my actual 18-wheeler.
Oh, let's get a picture of that.
This is my actual truck. It's built just like my actual truck, 2017 389.
That's so cool. So you have like a scaled model of that. That's awesome. Well, best of luck, and we'll see how it turns out.
Yeah,
Thank you. So I'm here with another contestant. This is Sean, and he is going to tell us all about his rig.
Okay, so this truck is actually a lasso, they call it. It's got fully locking, on-locking diffs. The trailer actually expands wider in and out.
That's incredible.
It's actually too heavy to sit on the table for the loads, because right now it's like 155 pounds.
Oh my gosh, so
on
that's all like
all
machined
metal, all,
aluminum.
yeah. The dozer on the back is fully hydraulic, fully works.
That's
Make it
incredible.
run through.
So you don't have to answer this if you don't want to,
No problem.
but can I ask how much you have in your truck?
Between the truck and the dozer and the trailer, you're probably around like 10,500.
That's crazy. So if you guys want to compete in the RC four-wheel drives, you better have some change. Thank you so much, Sean.
No problem.
Best of luck. I wish you the best of luck, and we'll see how it turns out.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you so much. All right, Joe, who do you have your eye on?
You.
So they're asking the contestants to leave now so that we can start judging. Did you have your eye on anyone's truck yet?
Yes, I see several that I really like, but it's going to be hard. Like, you know, like, hey, you want to judge this? Oh, that'll be easy. No.
It's not easy, guys.
No.
One of these guys has totally replicated Optimus Prime. He had one last year, but he came and outdid himself. He built a totally new one.
And I saw it, and it is like, I'm from that era. I grew up on that. It is like perfectly correct.
I don't know if y'all know this, but Truck Show Joe is almost dead. So y'all better go follow him while you can.
Follow while you can.
Yeah.
Get in on the bandwagon.
Yes. All right. All right. It's time to judge. We're getting called out. Here we go.
I'm going over there. I'm just looking at all of them over here.
I mean, that was actually my idea. I was like, just make it 9.
And then you're like, oh, crap.
Number 9 is on there now. Number 17.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That'll work.
Okay.
We'll do number 9.
It's on 9 then.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's that. You have to call the guy, order it, and it takes 3 years to get. I know what we need to fucking do. $1,500 starting for that step there. Hey, go tell that guy right there. Tell him you want to buy his brown truck over there on the table.
Oh, that's his?
Yeah. I'd buy that black one too, wherever that one is. Whose is that?
Trucks do you have left to judge?
One. I now want to look over my numbers.
You're going to look over them? It's a pretty serious deal, ain't it?
Oh, yeah, because there's like, I have a favorite, but then like it's like certain things about it are my favorite. Maybe that's not fair. I don't know.
Yeah, I know. I get it.
I also feel like though it doesn't really matter because you probably didn't pick the same things I did, so my score's not keeping anybody out.
Right, exactly. That's the whole point of having the judge panel, guys. So they're going to go through, count our scores, see whose scores come up the highest. Obviously, that's who's going to win. I'm pretty sure they have different awards, first, second, third, then they have honorable mention and best of show. So once Joe is done, they'll tally the scores, and then we will come back and show you guys who won what. So I'm here with another contestant. This is William, and he has an Optimus Prime truck. So tell me about this amazing thing. It is incredible.
Well, the kit started out all plastic. Now the only thing plastic is the cab, the sleeper, and the fenders.
Wow.
And everything else has been upgraded to aluminum or brass.
So what does something like that weigh?
Right now the truck weighs at 13.2 pounds.
Wow.
Rolling.
That's crazy.
Now with the trailer weighs 20 pounds. What? So I'm at 33.2 pounds.
Wow, that's incredible.
Totally.
So what is your favorite detail about this truck?
I would say my flames turned out awesome.
Your frame?
The flames.
Oh, the flames, yeah.
The flames.
So I don't know if you knew, but I was one of the judges, and I wanted to see if that was paint or
It is paint.
or vinyl.
It's
and
all painted.
Yeah, I felt it, and I could tell that it was paint, and I thought that was really cool. I gave you extra points for that. I'm sure everybody loves this truck. This is the Optimus Prime truck. You do have another one like this, right?
Yeah, the globe liner.
Yes, and that's like the old school original Optimus Prime that you had last year.
From the cartoon version.
Yes, yes. So, I mean, you came out with a bang with this one. I can tell you that.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Well, guys, if you loved William's version of Optimus Prime, make sure that you comment below and let him know. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm going to hit just a couple of the highlights first, and then we'll do best of show, and then there's an honorable mention, okay? Everybody good? Are you listening? No? Okay. All right, so most realistic, the high score is Herbert Robinson with the Herbert. Ron, most unique. Thank you. There you go. All right. Okay. Best of show, Ruben. Honorable mention. Everybody.
All right, so I just got back from the judging, and the guy with Optimus Prime pissed.
I know.
Why?
He didn't win.
Because he didn't win anything.
Like, got nothing. It was so good.
What are your thoughts on that?
I put some numbers down for him. So
I
don't
did
know.
too. So the guy that does the races, I mean the whatever that is,
In charge of
the
it,
guy
yeah.
in charge, yeah. He said that there was a 5-way tie for one of the awards, and so he just picked who he wanted. I was like, I don't feel so. I feel like
I mean, whatever.
Yeah.
Like, somebody. Hey, the problem with these things, somebody's always leaving a little mad.
yeah, exactly.
And usually it's Truck Show
It's
Jay.
usually me.
it's usually
It's
Joe.
usually me. Yeah, I'll say that.
Yeah. So the ones that won, I was pretty satisfied with.
Yes.
So yeah, it was pretty cool. What did you think about it, Joe? Will you do it?
Yeah, I think it was very hard.
Yeah. You're
Yeah.
gonna do it next year?
Sure.
Yeah.
For all the followers out there, Joe is looking for ladies.
We'll end it on that.